After India's historic election results were announced on 16th May 2014, the first big Indian business delegation of the year to Britain is with the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. The annual business delegation of senior CEOs was in Liverpool at the Global India Business Meeting, co-organized by FICCI. Here, we caught up with Naina Lal Kidwai, immediate past president of FICCI, also country head Asia Pacific, HSBS, Siddharth Billa, president FICCI, Josna Suri, chairperson and managing director of Bharat Hotels, that runs the luxury hotels chain The Lalit. Suri is also vice president at FICCI. During the interaction with senior CEOs, we tried to know what exactly is going on in India as far as inward and outward investment is concerned between the two countries.
So the purpose of this whole dialogue FICCI has with the very important partnership, the UK IBC, is really to take forward the awareness of what is happening in India, to ensure that there is inward investment into India and equally investment from India out into the UK, to address issues on trade. So it is about awareness building, it is specifically around issues, and it is ultimately to work with the governments in the two countries to ensure that the agenda to bring the two countries closer in every which way as possible happens. And hence this event is really going to be, this time round, about updating everyone on how we see India given the new government, and an opportunity to share some of our excitement on what is happening back home.
I think basically the investment interest in India has always been there, but on the last couple of years it's been subdued. Even though people with existing presence in India have put in a lot of money into India. So in a way, people was in a wait and watch mode because the potential of the market was always there. Yeah. And I think it's now with a renewed energy and a political stability clearly on the horizon, and right in front of us. Why on the horizon? It's right in front of us. This is a good time to engage and convey our views. In fact, it's people sometimes forget it's been less than 4 weeks since the government actually got sworn in.
Yes. Yes, we are all thinking, what is happening?
Enough is happening, but we'll get a first formal document in the form of a budget on the July the 10th. Yeah. And that hopefully will lay out a good roadmap on the way forward, even though it may not achieve as much as we wanted during the current year. Yeah. But I'm sure it will lay out a much better roadmap for the future.
Mr. Jaitley has a huge task in front of him. He's facing a retarded growth. He's facing a fiscal deficit. And huge unemployment in the country. So I think it's going to be a surprise as far as I'm concerned. All I can say is that it's going to be a very difficult one for him to handle. He has a lot of issues to handle. So we are hoping that he's going to come up with something that will perhaps give a boost to the economy in terms of more industry, more enterprise, more employment.
There have been new initiatives regularly post-elections. The sentiment is upbeat, but definitely the times are tough. Narendra Modi has already said that there would be some sort of austerity in future. One would need to see where UK-India relations will stand in this near future. Lavina Tandon for Headlines Today from London.